Christmas is a holiday that is celebrated by Christians around the world to commemorate the birth of Jesus Christ. It is typically celebrated on December 25th. Although the exact date may vary depending on the calendar that is used. The holiday is typically marked by the exchange of gifts, the decoration of homes and public spaces with lights and other holiday decorations, the singing of Christmas carols, and the celebration of Mass or other religious ceremonies. Many people also observe traditional customs such as the hanging of stockings by the fireplace, the decoration of trees, and the baking of cookies and other sweet treats. Christmas is a time of joy and celebration for many people, and it is a time to come together with family and friends to celebrate the birth of Jesus and the values that he represents.